Hello students. Good morning, good afternoon.
Morning.
How are you all?
Fine. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you so much. How's Belgaum? How's Belgaum is what I asked. Is it raining? Is it sunny? Is the
Cold.
weather nice?
Cold.
Is it
Cold.
cold? Alright. It's the same here. How is it in Nippani? Is it cold in Nippani? Or is it raining or is it sunny? Nippani? Nippani students, hi.
Hi.
Hi. Your voice says the weather is very dull. Is it dull?
Yes.
Yes, alright. Raibag? Weather down? Raining heavily? You can't hear me, Raibag? Can you hear me? Raibag? Raibag. Alright. Nippani 20. Nippani 20. Classroom 20. Okay, very good. Only girls. Where are the boys? Ran away. Don't know. Even in Nippani 19. Why is the class strength low? Can you tell me? Last time there were more students. Nippani 19. Nippani 19. Can you answer why is the class strength low?
Sir, they are coming.
They are coming. Alright. Good. Raibag, can you hear me now? Okay, good. So we will start.
Yes, sir.
Echo. Alright. So we will start or we will continue. I think sir has completed problems on determinants, correct? Sir has solved some problems on determinants. So today's class we will be solving some problems on matrices. Okay? Here we go. We'll do one by one. We have a matrix A. They want you to find out what is A into A transpose going to be. Anyone wants to give me an answer without solving? Actually, without solving, you can give me the answer. You don't have to actually multiply A into A transpose. Can anyone at least tell me the steps? What has to be done without solving A into A transpose? Alright. See here, whenever you multiply two matrices, if the matrix is M cross N here and this is P cross Q, when is it possible to multiply two matrices? When is it possible to multiply two matrices? What should be same? What should be same? From here and here, what should be same? So that we can multiply the two matrices. What should be same from the two matrices? Sorry?
Number of columns and number of rows.
Number. Okay, can you tell M should be equal to P, M should be equal to Q like that? Can you tell me what should be equal to what?
N equal to P.
N equal to P. We know that. Alright, to multiply we know that N and P should be equal. What will be the order of A cross B? Order will be M cross Q. I think all of us know this? Yes? Yes, we know it. So what we will be doing is, I'll write the order of A, I'll write the order of A transpose. And whatever resultant order I get, I will just check amongst the option. What is the order of A here? What is the order of A? Is everyone able to hear the disturbance?
Yes.
Yes, I hope it's clear now.
Yes.
Yes. Something happened, right? Swing. Something sounded. For me also the same thing happened. All right, I don't know what happened. It's okay. Okay, here we go. So, I think the boys who entered Nippani classroom did something. Yeah? All right, no problem. So, what is the order of A?
Cross 3.
Sorry, 1 cross 3, correct? 1 cross 3. What is the order of A transpose?
3 cross 1.
3 cross
3
1.
cross 1.
So, what should be same? 3 and 3 should be same, which means we can multiply. What will be the order?
Cross 1.
1 cross 1 will be the order. Which options has 1 cross 1 order?
Option B.
Option 2. So there is only one option. As I told, we don't have to multiply. We don't have to multiply. We can just do what? We can just decide on the order and we can give the answer. Because in this particular option, there was an option of 1 cross 1. If all the 4 options were 1 cross 1, then you had to solve. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Sometimes you will have to solve, sometimes you don't have to solve. In this case, there is no need for solving. Understood? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Alright. Yes, even Raibach students, please respond. If you have understood, please raise hands. Alright? Okay, good. Can we go to the next question? Yeah?
Yes.
And do not waste time writing down the question. If you can solve the question, just put the question number and try to solve and give me the answer. Don't waste time writing down the question because we will be sharing the PDF with you. The questions as well as the answers. Alright. Can anyone solve this for me and give me the answer? It's a simple question. A is given. You have to find out transpose and you have to do A plus A transpose. Simple. I expect all of you will solve. Solve, Madhika? It's a very simple question.
Option C. Option C.
Option C. Who's giving me the answer as option C?
Hello.
Who's the answer? Who gave the answer as C? Give me the classroom number if it is Nippani.
Class 19.
Class 19. Alright. Nippani 19. Anyone else with a different answer? Okay. Belgaum girls are telling it's option C. Any other answer? Raibach? 3. Option 3. Everyone goes with option 3. It's a very straightforward question. We just have to add. Alright? Especially when you are solving it from competitive point of view, please do not write multiple steps. Alright? Please keep in mind, do not write multiple steps when you are solving. So I have to add 3 and 3 because I have to write 3 and 3. 3 is added with 3. 4 will be added with what? The transpose. A transpose will be what? A transpose will be 3, 2, 4, 3. So 4 and 2 gets added. 4 plus 2. 2 and 4 gets added. 2 plus 4. 3 and 3 gets added.
3 and 3.
So we get the answer as everything is
6, 6, 6.
6. Alright? Alright? Can I also write this as? Can I take 6 outside and can I write it as 6i? Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes? Can we write it? Yes? No, you have to be clear, my dear.
No, sir.
Take the mic and tell it clearly, yes or no. No, it is not possible. Please be careful because 6 into I is what? 6 into I is 1001, which will be 6006. Be careful, we cannot write it. I was just asking you because we can have any kind of confusing option. But can I write this as? Can I write this as 6 into 1111? Is it possible? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, this is possible. So be very careful with the option because we never know. what kind of options will be given. All right. So option C is going to be the correct answer. Option C is going to be the correct answer. It was a simple question. Let us go next. Here a little bit of solving is required. Not much. You just have to do B transpose and start subtracting. B transpose, I'll write it here and then we will just start subtracting. Minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now subtract the terms. 3 minus of minus 1, 4. What are we doing? We are doing A transpose minus B transpose is what we are doing. If anyone wants me to give an answer, you can give the answer. A transpose minus B transpose.
C.
C, na?
C. Option C.
Option C. Nipani 19 says C. Let me know if there's any other answer.
Option C.
Option C. Multiple people are giving option C. Alright. Joseph girls can poll. Polling option is available. So 3 minus of minus 1, 4. Now 4 is there in how many options? A, C and D. But D is directly eliminated. Why is D directly eliminated? Because of the order. Am I right? Because of the order. Now I am left out with only option A and C. And even in option A and C, only C has 4 as the first element. If you want to cross check more, 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 2 minus 2, 0.
0.
Are all the options matching? Yes, all the options are matching. If you have done the initial steps correctly, you can quickly decide on the answer. Alright? Here I just had to do the first element. Nothing else. I just had to do the first element. And why are we not picking D? We are not picking D because the order of D is 2 cross 3. But what is the order of A transpose minus B transpose? 3 cross 2. That's why C is the answer. Yeah, you don't have to do much of solving. I have told you from competitive exam point of view, we just have to quickly reach to the answer. Alright? Shall we go next? Yes? So all the girls from Joseph have answered C. Using the poll, we'll have a look at the next question. We'll have a look at the next question. This requires a little bit of solving. You have to do A into A transpose multiply with 9 times of identity matrix and then start equating the elements. Sorry? Yeah? Alright, let's solve. Let's do A into A transpose. I'll write A here. I'll write A. Now the solving has to be fast. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, A to B. I will also write A transpose. 1 to A, 1 to A, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, and then 2 minus 2, B, 2 minus 2B. Alright? Don't multiply everything, people. Please keep in mind, you have to multiply only where you have A and B. Only where you have A and B. Don't multiply all the terms. What is your RHS? 9 times of I3, which means 9009009. Please do not multiply everything. Why should I not multiply everything? I will multiply what? See here, observe. I will multiply first row, the third column, because A and B are there. So 1 into A, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into B, 2B. This should be equal to how much? This should be equal to the 0, element 0. So we have an equation here. What's the equation? A plus 2B is equal to minus 4. A plus 2B is equal to minus 4. Have you understood? Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes. Substitute. 2. Substitute A as 2, B as 1. Is it possible to get minus 4? Substitute the options. Option A. If you substitute option A, 2 plus 2b. 2 times of 1. How much is it? 4. We are not getting minus 4. So can I eliminate the option?
Option C.
I hope you are getting my point. What we are trying to do? Yes.
Option
We
C.
don't have to do multiple steps. Please keep in mind. The problem looks lengthy, but we just have to do some specific steps which will help me find out the solution. Option B. Check for option B. Will it help? 1
No.
plus 2 twos are 4 is 5. Not equal to minus 4. Not equal to minus 4. So option B is also eliminated. Let me go to option C. A is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 into B is minus 1. Minus 2 is minus 4.
4.
Am I right? C.
Yes, sir.
We'll also have to check with D. What happens if we do D? Minus 1 plus 2 times of minus 2. It is going to be minus 5. So option D is not possible. Option D is not possible. We have to check for all the 4 options. Why do we have to check for all the 4 options? The reason is I solved only one equation. I solved only one equation. Alright? If I had 2 equations, we should solve. We will obviously get 2 equations. We will obviously get 2 equations. If I multiply this and this, I'll get the second equation. I'll get the second equation. Alright? So, after solving the 2 simultaneous equations, you'll get the value of A and B. But since I have solved only one equation, I have to check with all the 4 options. It can happen that there are 2 correct answers. If there are 2 correct answers, then I have to solve one more equation. I hope you are understanding what I am saying. Yes? Yes, we have to think and proceed. We can't just be in a hurry of answering. There is a possibility that if you just use one equation, there can be 2 options. But in this case, we don't have 2 options. We just have one correct answer. Yes, everyone? So, surely it is solvable in less than a minute. You don't have to do the entire thing. Okay, what happened in class number 19, Nippani boys? Why are you standing? Can the mic be passed to them? I want to know why they are standing. What happened? Take the mic. I'm not asking you to sing a patriotic song for Independence Day. Take the mic. What happened?
लेट ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ರು
Late ಬಂದ್ರಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ?
ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ
ಏನಪ್ಪ? Why? No, I want to know the reason. All the other students were there, right? Why did you come late? What was the reason? No, just tell the reason, that's all. I just want to know the reason. Fast. Alright, done. Time up. I thought I will ask the reason, I'll make them sit down, but they're not ready to, so let them stand up. Alright? So, we continue. Clear? So, here we go. A is given, B is given. You have to multiply A into B and then take the whole transpose. Alright? Then take the whole transpose. So before solving, what you should look for in all the 4 options, where is the option changing? Where is the element changing? Say for example, we have, okay, 6 here, 2. Okay, we have to solve. You don't have to solve completely because I was checking which is changing multiple times. So here you have 4, here you have 2, but here you have 4 and 4. Anyways, we'll multiply. We will not have to multiply the entire thing. If you're doing the calculation correctly, halfway only you will reach the answer. So I have to do what? A into B. So AB will be a 3 cross 3 matrix. 1 into minus 1. Anyone give me the answer? Anyone with the answer?
Option A.
Option A. Who wants to say option A? Who's answering option A?
Class number 19.
19. Nippani 19 says option A. All right. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 1 into 2. 2. We directly get the answer. 1 into 2 ne madbekalla. First is sorry, my bad. I did it wrong. We multiply with all the columns. 1 with minus 1. All right. Will be minus 1. Then 1 multiplied with 2, or minus 4 multiplied with minus 1 will be 4. 3 multiplied with minus 1 will be minus 3. 1 multiplied with 2. I hope you are understanding. Should I explain the multiplication? Are you understanding the multiplication? Okay. Belgaum girls are answering through the poll. Yeah? All right. We'll look at the answer. So, minus 1. If you answer next row, minus 4 is being multiplied already. So 1 multiplied with 2 is 2. 1 multiplied, minus 4 multiplied with 2 is minus 8. 3 multiplied with 2 is 6. If you look at the options, option A is correct. 3 multiplied with minus 1. 3 multiplied, 1 multiplied with 1. 1 with 1 will give you 1. Minus 4 with 1 will give you minus 4. 3 with 1 will give you 3. So looking at this, option A is the correct answer. Alright? Yes? We have to be careful while multiplying these two matrices. 1 minus 4, 3 is multiplied with minus 1, 2 and 1. Alright? So we have to be careful while multiplying. There is no plus. You just start multiplying. 1 and minus 1. Minus 1, minus 4 and minus 1, plus 4 and so on. Okay? Can we go next? Yes, people? Are you catching up? Yeah? Alright. We'll go with the next question. So, next question is a little bit tricky and more to solve. It's a little tricky and it is a little more to solve. I'll give you a few seconds to think what has to be done and then I will solve. Okay, so you have to find out P transpose Q to the power of 2005 and then again P. Then again P. Some of the students have already started answering. St. Joseph's. Most of you have answered option A. Have you come across this question? I'm pretty sure. Yes, okay, that's why. You have come across the question, that's why you are answering. Alright. So, let's try to solve it. Let's try to solve it, alright? So, here we go. Now we have, what is given to us? What is given? Q is equal to PA P transpose. This is given to us. Have to find P transpose Q to the power of 2005. Then again P. This is to be found out. This is to be found out. Alright? So what we'll do is, in the place of Q, I'll substitute whatever is given. Okay? So what will happen? P transpose into, what is Q? PA P transpose whole to the power of 2005 into P. So what have I just done? I have just substituted in the place of Q. I have just substituted PA P transpose. Alright, PA P transpose. Now, what is P transpose? It is nothing but P transpose into PA P transpose multiplied how many number of times? 2005 times. 2005. How many times am I multiplying from here to here? 2005 times I am multiplying. This is what we are doing. Am I right? If you have a square, it means a into a. If you have a cube, it means a into a into a. So if I have p a p transpose whole to the power of 2005, it means I'm multiplying p a p transpose how many number of times? I'm multiplying 2005 times. 2005 times. Now p. The other day I told you something as orthogonal matrix, day 1 of the class, where we discussed different types of matrices. I discussed what is an orthogonal matrix. Anyone what is an orthogonal matrix? Can you recall? Day 1. Okay, everyone is flipping pages. Alright, so what do you mean by an orthogonal matrix? Is when you multiply two matrices and if its resultant is an identity matrix. If you multiply two matrices and if the resultant of B and B transpose is an identity matrix, then B is said to be orthogonal. Then B is said to be orthogonal. So what happens here is if you observe P transpose and P is together, P transpose and P is together. Is it happening many times? Yes. Here also you have a P. Here also you have a P transpose. So what is happening? We are multiplying P transpose and P together multiple number of times. How many times we are doing it? We are doing it 2005 times. So let me check what happens to P into P transpose. Will I get an identity matrix? Root 3 by 2, half, minus half, root 3 by 2. Alright? So if I write P transpose, root 3 by 2, plus half, minus half, then you have plus half here, you have minus half, plus half, and then root 3 by 2. So what happens to the result? Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, plus what? Half into half, 1 by 4, am I right? Half into half, 1 by 4. Let me multiply next. Root 3 by 2 into minus half, how much? Minus root 3 by 4. Then you have this half into root 3 by 2. Plus root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. Next element, minus half into root 3 by 2. It's going to be
minus root 3 by 4.
Minus root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 into half plus root 3 by 4. Lastly, minus half into minus half plus 1 by 4. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, 3 by 4. So what am I getting? As you can observe, we get an identity matrix. We get a identity matrix 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Did you understand until this point? Yes? Everyone? Alright. Raibag? Yes? My friend next to the window. Do you remember me? I remember you. Hi. Okay. So, P into P transpose is I, alright? P into P transpose is I. So what is happening? We have I. What about I into A? What about I into A? What about identity matrix into any matrix?
A.
It will remain the same matrix. It's very obvious. You multiply any matrix with I or I with any matrix, the resultant will be A itself. The resultant will be A itself. So how many times do I have A altogether? I have A 2005 times, correct? I have A how many times? So you have I into A, then again same I into A, so on. How many times do you have A? You have 2005 times. You have 2005 times. Again you have I into A, then again you have an I in the end. So this you have 2005 times. As I told, I into A remains A. So what is the answer going to be? a to the power of 2005. What have we just solved? We have just solved that. After multiplying this, we get what? A to the power of 2005. A to the power of 2005. Now, how to find out a to the power of 2005? Can we multiply so many times? It is not possible to multiply so many times. So we have a as what? We have a as 1101. What is happening to a square? Have to multiply. We see a pattern now. We see a pattern. So let's quickly multiply. 1 into 1, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1. What happens to a cube? What happens to a cube? 1101 multiplied with a square. 1, 2, 0, 1. Let us multiply this. What happens? 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0. 0 into 2, 0. 1 into 1, 1. So what are we observing? If the power is 2, the entire matrix remains same, but only this is changing. If the power is 3, this becomes 3. So if the power is 10, what will happen? Can anyone tell me? 1,
1, 10, 0, 1.
0, 1. So we are observing a pattern. So what happens to A 2025? It becomes 1, 20, 25, 0 and 1.
2005, sir.
2005, na? 2025, this year I wrote. Correct? The year was in the mind, 2025. Okay. 2005 is the question, it seems. Yeah, 2005. So answer will be what? Option A. This is something new. You have never come across this kind of a problem. But our Belgaum girls are a little ahead. They have come across these kind of problems and they quickly answered option A. I hope your memory is in such a way that you remember multiple answers like this for MCQ. Yeah? But it's not going to work out in the final exam. Since it was done recently, you are able to remember. But no problem. Answer is an answer. If you remember, well and good. If you don't remember, also well and good. Right? Everything is well and good. Correct? All right. Can we proceed? Yes. Any questions? Please ask people. If you want any repetition or any questions, please do ask. Do not hesitate. I have told you in the last class as well. There's nothing to hesitate. Please do ask and get your doubts clarified. Can we go next? Yes? All right. Here we have a question. It's not very difficult. It's not very difficult. You also have to use the concept of trigonometry. You also have to use the concept of trigonometry. My friends from Nippani 19, sit down boys, it's okay. Sit down now. Yeah. Alright, so next time keep in mind when I ask you something, respond quickly. Don't pass around the mic. Okay. Anyone who wants to give an answer? Alright. Belgaum girls are again giving an answer. They are quickly polling the answer as C. Is this also what you remember? Yes. Alright. So, Raibag, artha ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Previous problem artha ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes? Yes. Yeah, please do respond, do ask. Nippani 20 and 19, are you following up people? Yes? Class number 20, class number 19? Yes. Alright.
Option C.
Okay. Option C. Who gave me the answer? Belgaum obviously had given it. Who else?
Class 19.
Class 19. Class 19. Nippani 19 also gives C as the answer. C is correct answer. Nippani 19 and Belgaum gives the correct answer. Alright? So, let's quickly solve it. You have to do A transpose plus A. A transpose plus A. So A transpose will be cos theta plus cos theta, which will be 2 cos theta. Sin theta plus, what are you adding with sin theta? Minus of sin theta, right? when you do A transpose plus A, I hope you don't have to write multiple steps. Let's not write multiple steps, people. Try to do it in the mind. I'll write the A transpose here, cos theta minus sin theta, then sin theta and cos theta. So this is your A transpose. We have to add what? We have to add A transpose plus A. Is addition commutative? Is addition commutative in matrices? Yes or no?
Yes.
If you add A plus B, it is equal to B plus A. So it will not matter. You can directly start adding cos theta plus cos theta, 2 cos theta, sin theta minus sin theta, 0. Minus sin theta plus sin theta, 0. Cos theta plus cos theta is 2 cos theta. And what is A plus A transpose? They have told that A plus A transpose is I2. What do you mean by I2? What do you mean by I2? Sorry?
Identity matrix order 2.
Identity matrix of order
Identity matrix.
2 cross 2. Of order 2 cross 2. Alright? So, order 2 cross 2 identity matrix. So it should be 1, 0, 0, 1. Please keep in mind, I2 is not 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. No, this is not I2. 2 represents what? It represents the order. It represents the order of the matrix. Alright? Yeah? Clear? So, what is 1? 2 cos theta is 1. 2 cos theta is 1. Cos theta is half. When do you get cos theta as half? For what value of theta? When theta is? Yavaga. When do you get cos theta as half? When theta is? 60 degrees or pi by 3. So, what about 2 and pi? 2 and pi means 1 complete revolution, correct? 2 pi is 1 complete revolution. When you say 2 and pi, I hope there is no confusion here. This is a little bit of trigonometry for you. 2 and pi. If you put n is equal to 1, you will get 2 pi. If you put n is equal to 2, you get 4 pi. If you put n is equal to 3, you get 6 pi. What are all these? These are nothing but complete revolutions. So after a complete revolution, what are we adding? We are just adding pi by 3. So it will remain in the first quadrant only. So it will remain in the first quadrant only. So option C is what? Option C is the correct answer. N belongs to integers. Did you understand? Yes? Yeah? Alright. Okay? Can we proceed? Anyone doubt? Please ask. Even the Raibach class, the count of the class is more. Don't hesitate. Pass around the mic and ask the doubt if there is any kind of doubt. Alright, people? Okay, Napa? Artha agtidya Raibach? Ha. Okay, done. Can we proceed next? We'll go to the next question. We'll go to the next question. Let me see if someone can answer this. Okay, I'll just give you a hint. The hint is we use the concept of A into B whole transpose can be written as B transpose into A transpose. I think you know this result. You know this result from matrices. We use this result to answer the question. So that's the hint I will be giving you.
Option B.
Option 2. Yaar hello. Who told?
Class 90.
Nipani 19 says.
Class 20.
Okay. So Belgaum girls also have started answering.
Option B.
Option 2. Yaar heltira. Who's this? Fast. Nipani 19 or 20 or Raibach. Okay.
119.
So, class 19. So many of the Belgaum students are also answering option B. Some of them have answered option A, C and D also. Some of them are answering or many of them are answering B. 4 have answered B. Okay, shall we discuss? So shall we discuss? Yes, let's discuss. So What is given? Given is A is equal to A transpose, B is equal to B transpose. I have to find out what? I have to find out A, B, A whole transpose. I have to find out A, B, A whole transpose. So, what we'll do here is, I will consider A into B as one single matrix. I'll consider A into B as one single matrix. Is it obvious? When you multiply A and B, will you get one single matrix? Yes. How the? So, I will use the concept now. So, if I take this is X and this is A, what happens to XA the whole transpose? A transpose into X transpose. What is X? A into B is X. A into B is X. I hope it is understood. Any questions? So what is X? X is AB. I'll write it here. Let X is A into B. So X into A, the whole transpose is A transpose into X transpose. Is this understood before I proceed? Yes? Arthaita? Raibag? Yes? Yes. Alright. So, going ahead, A transpose into what was X? X was AB. I'll substitute back AB the whole transpose. AB the whole transpose. Again I will use the law. A transpose into AB the whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose. Now I will substitute what is given. A transpose is A. B transpose is B. A transpose is A. So answer is A into B into A. So all my friends who have answered B is the correct answer. Okay? Are you all my friends? Yes, andre kai ettಬೇಕು. Good. Okay, good. So, B is the correct answer. Clear? Can we proceed? Yes, we can proceed. We'll go to the next question. Let's have a look at the next question. So, again a simple question. It is told that A is a symmetric matrix. Find out X, Y and T. We can have a very quick answer. When do we say that A is symmetric? What is the condition for A to be symmetric? What is the condition? A no condition. No. When can we say a matrix is symmetric?
A transpose equal to A.
Yes.
If
If A is equal to A transpose, then the matrix is symmetric. And what happens if it is a transpose? If A and A transpose are same, if you fold the matrix along this line, if you fold the matrix along this line, it should overlap. I hope you know that, right? If you fold the matrix, it should overlap. So 2 should be equal to Y. X should be equal to 4. And 3 should be equal to, sorry, 3 should be equal to minus 3. I have given different shapes. What is very important? If a matrix is equal to its transpose, what will happen? Then, if the matrix is equal to its transpose, when you fold the matrix, the elements should overlap. So Y is 2. So we have, so Y is 2, X is 4, T is minus 3. So what is the option?
B.
Option B.
Option B. 4, 2 and minus 3. Alright? Just one thing. Okay, let me give one more question like this. Let me give one more question. Let me see if you will answer correctly. Alright. So, say for example, A is given as So, what is C, B and A? ಹೇಳಿ
-7
C minus 7.
-7
0
A9
9.
A is 9
B0 0
B0. Why I told you it was a very straightforward question, but what you have to keep in mind is people, what is the order they have asked? They will ask C, B and A and they will give options like this. 0, 9, -7, -7, 9, 0, D, 9, -7, 0. I hope you got my point. What is important? What order is asked? Whether CBA is asked or ABC is asked, based on that, you have to pick the right option. I hope you got what I'm trying to say. Just be careful, that's all. You will know, but you have to be careful. All right? You have to be careful. So in this case, it will be what? It will be option A. C is -7. B is going to be 0 and A is going to be 9. It is going to be option A. So that is what you need to be careful about. All right? Next question. A is symmetric. Find A transpose the whole transpose. Option?
Option A A
Option A. It's a very straightforward question. So, if A is symmetric, we know that A is equal to A transpose. What do I have to find? I have to find out A transpose the whole transpose. What is A transpose? A transpose is A. A transpose is A, known to me, given. So, A into whole transpose, which is A transpose, which is nothing but what again? It is back to A, which is given. I hope is it understood. Raibag artha agtidiyappa? Sarina? I will repeatedly ask Raibag, please do respond. The reason is you are more in number, and since some people are very behind, I am just hoping everyone is listening to the class attentively. All right? So if there is any doubt, please do ask people. Eno sankocha beda. Artha agtidiya? Don't feel shy. Okay? No questions? No questions. All right. So option, yeah. Let's look into the next question. All right. We'll do this question here. It says we have a 2 cross 2 matrix. It is both symmetric and skew symmetric. Which of the following options?
Option C
Okay. Raibag is answering. Belgaum is answering through
Option C
option C. All right. Belgaum is giving you a cue card. Option C. All of you are saying option C, which is a correct answer. What have they told? It should be both symmetric and skew symmetric. Symmetric means A should be equal to A transpose. It is happening in both A and B and C. But what does skew symmetric say? Skew symmetric says what? A should be equal to
-A transpose.
minus of A transpose. This is not possible in A, and this is not possible in B also. This is not possible in B also. All right? If you do, say for example, you consider option A. What is A transpose for this? 1, 0, 0, 1. What is negative of A transpose here? -1, 0, 0, -1. So, A and minus A transpose are not same. Same way here also, it is not going to be same. Here also it's not going to be same. So the only option left out is if all the elements are 0 matrix, then A will be equal to A transpose. A will also be equal to minus of A transpose. Artha aitappa? Understood? Yes? All right. Understood. So option C. Let's look into the next question. Find the values of A, B, C. Then find the value of A plus B plus 2C. It is told that it is a skew symmetric matrix. It is told that it is skew symmetric. Option 1. Belgaum girls say option 1. All right. Do you want to try solving? Belgaum girls, I know that you know, but just try, no? Since you have already come across the question, it's okay, but it's better to try and give the answer. So what is given? It's a skew symmetric matrix, which means A should be equal to A transpose. A should be equal to minus of A transpose. So what is A transpose going to be? 0 A3, 0 A3, 2B minus 1, 2B minus 1, C1 0. And minus of A transpose will be negative. 0 minus A minus 3, minus 2 minus B plus 1, minus C minus 1, 0. Alright? What are they telling? A and A transpose are same. A and A transpose are same. So what is A? 2, sorry, A or N minus 2 are same. So what are same? A and minus 2. So A will be equal to minus 2. What else? B is equal to minus B. B is equal to minus B. And what about C? C will be how much?
Minus 3.
C will be minus 3. C will be minus 3. So what happens? Don't cancel B and B. It will not help you find out the answer. Transpose the B to the other side. What happens? B plus B will be equal to 0. Minus B when you transpose becomes plus B on the other side. 2B is 0. B is 0. A is minus 2. C is minus 3. So what do we want? We want A plus B plus 2C. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 2 into minus 3. So it's going to be minus 2 minus 6, which is going to be minus 8. Option A is the answer.
Yeah.
Correct? Artha aita? Yes? Are you catching up? Okay. Little bit fast you have to be. I am explaining slowly, but when you are solving by yourself, obviously your speed should be more. You can't hear me, St. Joseph? All right. St. Joseph says they can't hear me. St. Joseph Belgaum. Is this okay? Yes? Everyone? All right. One more question. We'll solve one more question. Solve this. If ABCD is the inverse of the matrix, then D equals how much? So, your matrix A is 1, 5, 7 minus 3 and inverses A inverses A, B, C, D. That's what is told. Am I right? A, B, C, D is the inverse of. So, A, B, C, D is what? It's basically A inverse. You have to find D. Find D. So, what you should do? You should find out the inverse of the matrix A and then equate and then check what is D going to be. Find out A inverse and then find out D. What is the formula for A inverse? What is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to, what's the formula? Come on.
Adjoint of A divided
by
determinant of A.
Adjoint A divided by determinant A. How can we directly write adjoint? How can we directly write adjoint?
Interchange the diagonal elements and interchange the signs of non-diagonal elements.
And change the signs of non-diagonal elements. So, minus 3 goes here, 1 goes here. So this you have to interchange. This you have to interchange, right? This you have to interchange, and you have to change the signs of non-diagonal elements. -5, -7. This is adjoint A divided by, what is determinant A? Determinant A is going to be 1 into -3, 1 into -3, -3 minus 7 into 5, minus 35, minus 35. So it is going to be how much? 1 divided by
Minus
minus
38.
38, and the 4 elements are -3, -5, -7 and 1. What are we interested in? We are interested in finding out
Option A.
So D will be how much? If you take the minus 38 inside, it will be minus 1 by 38. Option is going to be A. Option is going to be A. Understood? Yes? Yeah? Okay? So we are done for the day. Bye. Happy Independence Day for tomorrow. All right? Yeah.
Same to you, sir.
Thank you. Bye, people.